The end of September is shaping up to be critical for Canadian seniors. Missing key deadlines tied to your Canada Pension Plan and Old Age Security could mean delays or even interruptions in payments. And with revised amounts landing in September 2025, the stakes have never been higher. Why September 2025 matters. September 2025 is not just another payment cycle. This month brings updated benefit amounts for both CPP and OAS, adjustments designed to match inflation and rising costs across the country. Seniors who rely on these programs will see higher deposits, but only if their information and enrollment status are up to date with the Canada Revenue Agency and Service Canada. Missing deadlines to update banking details, residency confirmations, or direct deposit enrollment could result in delays that push payments weeks beyond the expected date. The importance of CPP and OAS. For decades, the Canada Pension Plan and Old Age Security have formed the foundation of retirement income. CPP is based on contributions during your working years, while OAS is tied to age and residency. Together, they provide stability at a time when many Canadians face higher grocery bills, increased rent, and escalating medical costs. Missing out on even one monthly payment can create significant financial stress, which is why CRA and Service Canada remind seniors to keep their details updated ahead of every major adjustment. The updated payment amounts. Starting September 29th, 2025, the maximum CPP retirement pension rises to $1,433 per month. This increase reflects a 2.6% boost tied to the Consumer Price Index. For OAS, amounts differ by age. Seniors between 65 and 74 can receive up to $734.95, while those aged 75 and older will see payments as high as $808.45. These figures include the July 2025 1% indexation that carries into the fall. When combined, CPP and OAS provide a significant monthly income base. Some seniors may qualify for as much as $2,241.45 per month between the two programs if they've maximized contributions and meet the higher age bracket requirements. How deadlines affect your payments. The CRA and Service Canada operate on strict schedules. CPP is indexed once annually in January, while OAS is adjusted quarterly. The September 29th, 2025 date is critical because it's when the new rates take effect. If your direct deposit details are outdated or if you've recently moved and haven't updated your address, checks may not arrive on time. For those relying on mailed checks, even a small delay can cause weeks of waiting. In contrast, direct deposit payments usually appear in bank accounts on the scheduled date, labeled as Government of Canada Deposit. Seniors not yet enrolled in direct deposit are encouraged to switch before September's deadline to avoid complications, deferral options, and why they matter. While September 29th brings updated payments, some Canadians may choose to delay receiving them altogether. Deferral options can dramatically change long-term retirement income. With CPP, each month you defer after 65 adds 0.7% to your payout, or 8.5% annually. A monthly pension of $1,000 at age 65 could grow to roughly $1,420 if deferred until 70. OAS works slightly differently, adding 0.6% per month for every month deferred past 65. That translates to 7.2% annually. A payment of $734.95 at age 65 could increase to around $1,073 per month by waiting until age 70. These deferral options are not mandatory, but can make a major difference, especially for Canadians still working past 65 or those with other income sources. What happens if you miss the deadline? If deadlines are missed in September, payments may not be lost permanently, but delays can create real challenges. Seniors depending on their CPP and OAS income to cover essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries could face cash flow problems. In some cases, checks sent to outdated addresses may take months to trace and redirect. Similarly, unverified banking details can cause direct deposits to bounce back, leading to extended waiting times while Service Canada processes corrections. The CRA's alert is clear. Seniors should check their enrollment, update their direct deposit information, and ensure their residency status is confirmed before September 29, 2025. That way, the revised payments arrive without interruption. How to check your payment status. Beneficiaries can confirm their CPP and OAS details through multiple channels. The most convenient is the My Service Canada account, where retirees can see their payment schedule, history, and updated amounts. Bank transactions will also reflect incoming deposits under Government of Canada. Those who prefer phone support can call Service Canada's helpline at 1-800-277-9914. It's important to have your social insurance number and personal details ready when making the call. For those not using direct deposit, mailed checks remain an option, though they're slower. If you rely on this method, make sure Service Canada has your correct mailing address to avoid delays. Annual mailed summaries are also available for seniors who want a clear overview of their CPP and OAS income, inflation, indexation, and why it matters. Inflation has hit Canadian households hard in recent years, making these adjustments more critical than ever. CPP is indexed annually, while OAS is adjusted quarterly to better track cost of living. Shifts. By September 2025, the combined effect ensures retirees don't lose ground to rising prices. For example, OAS saw a 1% increase in July 2025, and that adjustment remains in place through September. CPP's 2.6% increase reflects a full year of inflation and applies across the board too. Maximize retirement pensions. Tax considerations. Both CPP and OAS are taxable income, something many seniors overlook when budgeting. While the new rates provide higher monthly amounts, retirees must plan for taxes owed at the end of the year. Factoring in these obligations is crucial, especially for those with additional income sources, such as RRSP withdrawals or part-time work. September 29, 2025 is a date every Canadian senior should mark. It brings revised CPP and OAS payments that reflect inflation and cost of living adjustments. With CPP maxing out at $1,433 and OAS reaching up to $808.45, these updates matter for everyday financial planning, but they only matter if the payments arrive on time. Seniors are encouraged to check their My Service Canada account, update their direct deposit details, and confirm their residency status well before the deadline. Waiting too long could mean delays, lost checks, or bounced deposits. Are you ready for September 29th? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.